The National Weather Service ruling an EF2 tornado touched down in Warren County, uprooting several trees and destroying property. Samiar Nefzi reports.
After yesterday's storm clocking winds of over 70 miles per hour, debris now lining along Route 6 and ultimately taking the roof off of Carter Lumber. James Peters, who's lived in Warren since last fall, describes the calm before the storm.
The sunset was beautiful, and then I just saw lightning from over the hill and came in the house, heard the whistle, and before I knew it, a tree had hit my bay window.
Little did Peters know that an EF2 tornado had just ripped through the area.
I have not seen a storm of this magnitude in Warren County in my career.
The tornado having a disastrous effect. It damaged several roofs at the Carter Lumber and Starbrick. This pipe going through the glass doors. Pieces of metal roofing wrapping around wires like candy wrappers, and debris scattered throughout the area. And this arch storage structure mangled. The roof torn off, and this pontoon boat and trailer uplifted and lodged between the frame.
What we don't know yet is the length, the width, and exactly how strong it was.
Winds are believed to be up to 130 miles per hour. Luckily, no one was injured during the storm.
Really unprecedented cooperation from our public safety agencies here and the municipalities. Guys really came together last night and did a great job.
McCorson telling us that they have no idea how long it'll be before the debris is cleaned up, but they will be here until the job is done. Now, when trying to talk to an official from Carter Lumber, they said they weren't commenting at this time, only telling us that nobody was hurt during the storm. In Warren, Samiar Nefzi, Jet 24 Action News.
Okay, thank you, Samiar.